Hi, I'm Dwane Ferry. I'm with a company called E-Spec Inc. I'm here today to talk to you about image management. Hope you're enjoying the conference so far, getting a lot of good information. What we're going to dive into here is more involved with the design aspect and getting and communicating those ideas from design throughout the process to everyone else who needs to get to that information visually. So let's dive in. So communicating visually requires an image management strategy. And what I mean by image management strategy is not just implementing some sort of tool or gadget or software in order to keep track of your images and put them all into a single folder or something like that. It actually needs to be something more inclusive of the entire organization. So what do I mean by what is image management? What I'm talking about here is a complete solution that covers every aspect of every type of image throughout your entire organization. It could be an image from design, a garment sketch that is created to represent the product that you're manufacturing. It could be a sketch from a tech designer. It could be a marketing image in order to promote that product. It could be advertising images. Everything that you can think of that is a visual representation of any output within your organization should be included when you're planning your image management. And these could be items that are either part of your PLM or not part of your PLM. So you really need to think the whole process through, and we're going to go through this together today. So why do I need a strategy for image management? Like I said, if you don't plan for all the pieces and all the departments who need access to this information, then you're going to end up kind of Mickey Mousing something together, and sooner or later someone's going to want an image that you can't get access to because it's in the wrong format, or it comes from a department that you don't have access to. There's no sharing, there's no workflow. So you really need to plan it all out ahead of time and create a total strategy instead of just piecemeal things together as you go. So what can you gain from implementing an image management strategy? I think it's kind of self-explanatory. Once you have that solution in place, you've now created a complete workflow. So your images, as you're generating your creative content, from the start, the person who imagines that visualization can now articulate it, get it into a file format, and pass it along throughout the workflow to everybody who needs it. And the best possible method to do that is in an automated fashion, so the creator of this artwork or this creative content can just generate what they need or modify it as they go along and have it carry on automatically to everyone else down the line who needs to partake of or view that information. So who are the players? Basic list, obviously, in an apparel world, we're talking about merchandising. Everything starts with merchandising. The merchandiser is responsible for planning out what are we going to make. How many shirts do I need? How many pants do I need? How many shorts do I need for this season? They're going to indicate to the designer what to do, what to build. The designer then is the person who's responsible for creating the product. And that person is going to be creating a lot of artwork. So the merchandiser needs to be able to see what the designer is creating. So both merchandising and design are intimately involved